Embarking on a journey beyond our comfort zones is an odyssey that transcends the boundaries of familiarity, ushering us into a realm of personal growth, cultural enlightenment, and profound self-discovery. The comfort zone, that cozy cocoon where routine and predictability thrive, often becomes a self-imposed limitation that hinders the expansive potential of the human experience. It is within the uncharted territories, far removed from the safety nets of our everyday lives, that the true adventure begins. The concept of comfort zones extends beyond physical spaces. It encapsulates the psychological and emotional boundaries we construct around ourselves. Breaking free from these constraints, especially through the medium of travel, offers a unique opportunity for transformative experiences. As we step onto unfamiliar terrain, whether it's navigating bustling markets in Marrakech, conversing with locals in Tokyo, or trekking through the untouched landscapes of Patagonia, we are compelled to confront the unknown. Travel serves as a potent catalyst for personal development, pushing us to navigate linguistic barriers, adapt to new customs, and confront unexpected challenges. This article delves into the myriad benefits of venturing beyond the familiar, exploring how such journeys stimulate personal growth, cultivate cultural awareness, and broaden our perspectives. By shedding the comfort of routine, we open ourselves up to a world of possibilities, embracing the discomfort that accompanies exploration as the pathway to profound change. Join us as we unravel the transformative power of traveling beyond comfort zones, inspiring a global odyssey of self-discovery and cultural enlightenment. 2. The benefits of traveling beyond comfort zones. As the horizon expands beyond the contours of our comfort zones, so too does the tapestry of benefits woven into the fabric of our journeys. Traveling beyond the familiar is an investment in personal development, an opportunity to forge resilience, self-confidence, and adaptability. Stepping into the unknown fosters a unique environment where challenges become stepping stones, pushing the boundaries of what we thought possible. Personal development embarking on unfamiliar terrain fosters an environment where personal development is not just encouraged, but inevitable. Navigating through the unscripted challenges of travel, from deciphering foreign languages to maneuvering intricate customs, cultivates a heightened sense of self-confidence. The traveler becomes a problem-solving maestro, adept at finding solutions in the face of the unexpected. Adaptability becomes a second nature as one learns to thrive outside the structured confines of the comfort zone. Cultural awareness. The beauty of the world lies in its diversity, and travel serves as a powerful conduit for cultural awareness. Beyond the preconceived notions and stereotypes, venturing into different corners of the globe exposes us to a myriad of perspectives, traditions, and lifestyles. Each encounter with a new culture becomes an opportunity to break down barriers, fostering a deep appreciation for the richness of global diversity. Expanded perspective. The comfort zone often functions as a tunnel, limiting our vision to a narrow scope. Travel dismantles these walls, opening our eyes to a vast panorama of possibilities. Horizons broaden, not just geographically, but intellectually and emotionally. Embracing change becomes more than a necessity. It transforms into a welcomed companion on the journey. Through these experiences, a global mindset is cultivated, transcending borders and connecting us to the universal tapestry of humanity. In the forthcoming sections, we delve into the practicalities of overcoming challenges on the road and the lasting impact of stepping beyond our comfort bubbles. 3. Overcoming challenges on the road, beyond. The allure of exotic destinations and cultural immersion lies the crucible of challenges that tests the mettle of every traveler daring to step outside their comfort cocoon. The unpredictable nature of travel necessitates the development of essential skills to navigate the unknown with grace and resilience. Facing the unknown travel often throws us into the deep end of the unfamiliar, demanding an agile response to unforeseen circumstances. Navigating language barriers becomes a dance of communication, a symphony of gestures and basic vocabulary that transcends linguistic limitations. Similarly, embracing the unfamiliar customs of a new place requires an open mind and a willingness to adapt. Stepping out of the comfort bubble. True exploration involves more than just traversing physical landscapes. It requires a willingness to engage with the local environment on a personal level. This includes stepping out of the culinary comfort zone, daring to taste new and exotic flavors. Engaging with locals becomes a key aspect, offering insights into the heartbeat of a community and providing opportunities for meaningful connections. Participating in cultural activities, whether it be traditional dances, ceremonies, or rituals, adds layers to the travel experience, creating memories that transcend the temporal. In the subsequent sections, we will unravel the tapestry of memorable experiences that await those who embrace the challenges of the road, demonstrating how these moments become the building blocks of a transformative journey. From conquering fears to embracing spontaneity, the traveler evolves, leaving behind the constraints of the familiar for the uncharted territories of personal and cultural growth. IV. Memorable experiences beyond comfort zones. As intrepid explorers venture beyond the borders of their comfort zones, a treasure trove of transformative experiences awaits, shaping not only their journeys, but the very fabric of their identities. These moments, often born from challenges and spontaneity, become indelible imprints, marking the path of personal and cultural evolution. Transformational moments. The essence of travel lies in its ability to push individuals beyond their perceived limits. Conquering fears, whether it be fear of heights, trying new activities, or navigating the unknown, becomes a rite of passage. Each triumph over trepidation contributes to a newfound sense of self, fostering resilience and courage. Daring to push personal limits is where the alchemy of transformation occurs. From navigating bustling markets in a foreign language to adapting to the rhythm of an unfamiliar city, every challenge met is a testament to the traveler's ability to embrace discomfort and thrive in uncertainty. B. Unforgettable encounters in the kaleidoscope of travel. Encounters with locals and immersion in their cultures create lasting impressions. Meaningful connections transcend language barriers, allowing for a deeper understanding of the human experience. Learning from different perspectives, whether through shared stories or witnessing daily life, broadens one's worldview, fostering empathy and breaking down cultural stereotypes. These encounters become the backbone of unforgettable memories, forming a mosaic of experiences that endure long after the journey concludes. Whether it's a chance meeting with a wise elder, a shared meal with a local family, or the joyous celebration of a cultural festival, these moments become the heartbeat of a transformative travel narrative. As we unravel the threads of these experiences, the tapestry of a journey beyond comfort zones becomes a vibrant masterpiece, painted with the colors of personal growth, cultural understanding, and the unyielding spirit of exploration. Tips for those hesitant to step out. For those standing at the threshold of their comfort zones, teetering on the edge of exploration, the leap into the unknown can be both exhilarating and intimidating. However, with careful guidance and a spirit of adventure, even the most hesitant can navigate this transformative journey. Here are some practical tips to embolden those contemplating a step beyond the familiar. Start small. Beginnings need not be grandiose. Commence the journey by exploring nearby destinations or engaging in local cultural events. Weekend getaways provide a gentle introduction to the unpredictability of travel, allowing for a gradual acclimatization to the unfamiliar. Plan mindfully. While spontaneity has its allure, mindful planning is a valuable ally. Research and preparation provide a foundation for the journey, offering insights into local customs, language basics, and cultural nuances. A well-prepared traveler is better equipped to navigate the challenges that may arise, instilling confidence and a sense of security. Embrace discomfort as a path to growth. The heart of exploration lies in embracing discomfort. Recognize that challenges are not obstacles, but opportunities for personal and cultural growth. Cultivate a positive mindset that views the unknown as a realm of potential, rather than a source of apprehension. By reframing discomfort as a stepping stone to growth, the traveler transforms obstacles into gateways to new experiences. As these tips become companions on the journey, let them serve as a roadmap to guide hesitant explorers toward the exhilarating realm beyond their comfort zones. The beauty of the unknown awaits those who dare to take the first step. May these insights embolden the traveler, fostering a spirit of curiosity and a willingness to embrace the transformative power of exploration. In the symphony of global exploration, where each note is a step beyond the familiar, the journey beyond comfort zones emerges as a transformative odyssey. Through the lens of personal growth, cultural immersion, and unforgettable encounters, the traveler becomes a protagonist in a narrative that transcends the boundaries of routine and familiarity. As we reflect on the transformative power of traveling beyond comfort zones, it becomes evident that the discomfort accompanying exploration is not merely a challenge, but a catalyst for profound change. The wanderer, once confined to the constraints of routine, emerges with a heightened sense of self-confidence, adaptability, and a broadened perspective that extends far beyond geographical borders. The benefits of this odyssey extend beyond the individual, contributing to a global tapestry of interconnectedness and understanding. Cultural awareness becomes a bridge that spans diverse landscapes, fostering appreciation for the rich mosaic of traditions that color our world. In stepping out of the comfort bubble, embracing the unknown, and navigating challenges, the traveler not only redefines personal limits, but contributes to a collective narrative of shared humanity. To those hesitant to venture beyond the familiar, this article serves as an invitation to embrace the discomfort as a gateway to growth, to recognize the beauty in the uncharted territories of personal and cultural exploration. For in every step taken beyond the comfort zones, a world of possibilities unfolds, each moment a brushstroke on the canvas of a life profoundly lived. As the journey continues, may the allure of the unknown guide you, and may the echoes of transformative experiences resonate in your heart, inspiring a lifelong pursuit of discovery beyond the confines of the comfort zone.